What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to archive an email on Gmail. Now I'm on mobile Gmail, but this works for desktop website Gmail as well. Now this is a great alternative way. Instead of deleting an email, you could just archive it and it'll take you out of the inbox. You won't see it in your inbox, but you could always go to archives, which is basically like a trash folder, and see it again if you want. A great way instead of deleting it and taking up space. So in order to do this, as you're going to see, you're just going to swipe left on the email, and it's going to, once you swipe left, it's going to bring up that little green menu, but you don't have to press anything further than that. You just swipe left and it automatically archives, because that's the only option. As you can see, once you're doing it, it archives it, and then you'll be able to just never see it in your inbox. If you do accidentally swipe left on something you don't want to archive, it'll come up with an undo button at the bottom of the screen like you saw just there. You could undo the archive and it will take you back. You could also just go to your archives and be able to unarchive it if you want. But this is a great way, like I said, instead of just throwing it out and then never seeing it again. If you accidentally delete something, you could just archive it and it'll be much better for you to recover it. That's all there is to it though. If you were confused or you had any questions on how this works, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Da 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 da